What is the value of x in this problem? Where we have x squared minus 9 divided by x minus 3 equals 6. So what will be the value of x such that x does not equal to 3? Now, let's have it to be solution. The first method one is to have it as x squared minus 9 over x minus 3 equals 6. When this 6 is divided by 1, then let us cross multiply. When we cross multiply, so we have x squared minus 9 times 1, like this, equals 6 times x minus 3. Let's open the parentheses. We have x squared minus 9. 6 times x will be 6x. 6 times 3, here is minus 18. Then let us group the like terms. So we're going to have x squared. Here will be minus 6x. Here will be minus 18. Here will be plus 9. So we have x squared minus 6x. Then we have from here minus 18 plus 9. This will be minus 9. So let's take this one here back. Have x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals minus 9 plus 9. So we have x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals 0. If you are to solve this using quadratic formula, so we are going to have x equals minus b, positive or negative, square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Where we are going to have, let's define each parameter a, the coefficient of x squared, which is 1, parameter b, the coefficient of x, which is minus 6, parameter c, equals 9. So from here, guys, we have x, then minus is here, there's minus here, will be minus into minus 6, positive or negative, square root of minus 6 in parentheses to the power of 2, 4 times a is 1 times c is 9 over 2 times a, which is 1. So we have x, minus times minus will be plus, positive or negative. Then we have this will be 36. Then 4 times 9 will also give us 36 over 2. Now we have x, 6 positive or negative. 36 minus 36 will be 0 over 2. Then this will be 6 positive or negative. Root of 0 is 0 over 2. Then from here, we have x to be 6 over 2. And this 6 over 2 will be 3. So we have x to be equals 3. But note that we define that x must not equals or does not equals 3. So therefore, we don't want this solution. We don't want this solution. And we can declare finally that the problem has no solution. And we have this problem, x squared minus 9, x minus 3 equals 6. No solution.